Hi guys, just thought I'd do a quick video of how to use the emulators on the Allrounder build. This is the home of Kodi files. If you're using this on Android, you'll have to install root browser or ES file explorer. It's just because these files will be hidden on Android and you need to unhide them. To use the emulators, you'll need to enter this file called user data and find this file called install me. I'm on Windows at the moment, so it'll be exactly the same but on Android. Click on install me, pick your platform, Windows or Android. I'll go with Windows since I'm on a Windows PC at the minute. You'll have these two files, RetroArch and MAME. RetroArch, just drag and drop to the place where you want it to be on your C drive or wherever. MAME is a self-extracting program, just double click it and tell the program where you want to extract it. Android's a little bit different. You've got the two APKs, you've got RetroArch and MAME for Droid. Just run them through your Android system, install them, and that should be it. You've got your BIOS files, which I will update at some point. Within the user data, you've got ROM files. This is where it'll get all the game data from. You've got Game Boy Advance, MAME, Mega Drive, N64, Nintendo and Super Nintendo. I have linked one game from each one to the advanced launcher, so you can try them out or you can add your own. It's easy enough to do. I'll show you in a minute how it's done. And that's it. That's how you get the emulators up and running. Now to use RetroArch, I can find my file. You'll see this RetroArch, click it. Again, it's a little bit different on Android. You want the RetroArch exe file. And you'll get this screen. Now to use RetroArch, you'll have to install the separate emulators which are within the online updater, which is here. If you're on Windows, it's X key to go forward and Z key to go back. So you want the core updater. And this is all the different cores that are within RetroArch. Now the ones you'll need for the ones I've linked for Android are, let's see if I can find them. That one, which is SNES 9X Next, which is to play Super Nintendo games. You will need that one, Sega MS MD CD32 Pico Drive, which is to play Mega Drive games. The Nintendo 64 Mupen 64 Plus, which is to play N64 games. The PlayStation one, which I haven't linked emulators to or ROMs because they're too large, but you will need that one to play PlayStation games. Try to remember if there's any more. There's Nintendo DS. I will be linking more emulators as it goes on. I think that's it. Dreamcast, you can use that. Again, I haven't linked an emulator, a ROM, sorry, because they are too large. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So once you install them, I'll install one now just as a quick demo. I'll install... Where's Pico Drive? Where's Pico Drive? Where's Pico Drive? Pico Drive. Come up on the dialog saying it's extracted. Go back. Go to load core. I've already got the PlayStation one, but I'll run this one to show you it working. And there you go in the corner. Pico Drive 1.91. So what you do from here, quick RetroArch, close that, I'll open Kodi. Intro scene to the Dipper build. Scroll across to emulators. Pick your desired emulator. I'll go with Mega Drive since I installed Pico Drive. Stream all sources has got an error. And there's Earthworm Jim. Now this is actually set up for Android. It'll run on Android RetroArch. It won't run on my PC because I haven't set the emulators up for PC yet. But that's another thing that I'll have to do in the near future. But it should run fine. Once you install RetroArch on Android, it should run fine. You've got Metal Slug for arcade. Should have. Thought I installed one on Game Boy Advance. Mario Brothers on Nintendo. GoldenEye on Nintendo 64. Adam's Family on Super Nintendo. So yeah, like I said, once you install it on Android, they should run fine. Right guys, hope that helps a lot. Speak soon.